Hey big dogs, today I'm going to show you how to get free Faphouse tokens in 2025. So go to ogsnags.com, and once you're on this site, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type it in because they got tons of discount codes and codes on this site. So here it is. So just go ahead and press show coupon code and wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, so once it loads up, we're just going to go ahead and press get full code. It's going to bring us to a new page, and on this page ask us what do we like the most about shopping at Amazon. So the truth is, guys, it doesn't matter what answer you put. So I'm just going to do super fast shipping, and then it's going to ask for my email. So make sure you guys enter an email you can regularly access because they're going to send your code to this email. So after you do that, guys, it's going to say activating your reward. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So the next thing we got to do is register, guys. So make sure you fill out all the information. So let me just type this in right here so you guys can see. All right, this is very important, guys, because a lot of people don't do this because they think it's not real, but trust me, they're not going to do anything unless you provide your info. But don't worry, they're not going to send anything to your house, even though they ask for your address. So let me just go ahead and fill this in right here so you guys can see. All right, and we just got to put the state. All right, so now we have to do the survey. This is the next step. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do the survey. So let's just go ahead and answer all the questions to the best of our ability. Alright, so I'm just going to answer these right here so you guys can see. Alright, let's just go ahead and do that. So it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to run this right here. Just doing the survey, guys. It's not very hard. So let's just go ahead and finish this. And I think you'll probably have the same questions, but if you get like confused or something, like just be careful. You should be good to go. So let's just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to answer all the questions. Alright, so I think we're nearing the end of the survey, so I'm just going to keep going at it for a little bit more here. As you can see, press I agree and continue, and we're done. So the final step is it's going to show us the roadmap and show us that we're like done with everything, and we should get our code. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, alright, so as you can see, guys, it's going to say right here that everything is done. So survey done, optional offers finished. And so then that brings us to the deals. So the deal is the final step. You have to usually do one deal. It's like download an app or something. So yeah, just go ahead and complete it. It's pretty easy. But you can see they have this Monopoly Go one, reach level 18 on Monopoly Go, $0 cost, totally free. Just press continue, and all you have to do is complete it. And you only have to do one of the deals. So you guys should be all set. So as you can see, it says complete one deal to continue. So hope you guys enjoyed, but that's how to get free Faphouse tokens.